If you spend 30 minutes solving a final accounts problem and your balance sheet still doesn't tally, stop recalculating the entire ledger from scratch. Grab a notebook and let's tally this sheet on your very first try. Are you an ICSE Class 10 student worried about scoring full marks in final accounts? You look at a massive trial balance and immediately get confused about where to put items such as carriage inwards, outwards, and many other such loose tools. If you make even one wrong entry, your balance sheet will never tally and you will lose crucial marks in section B. In this video, I am going to make final accounts incredibly easy for you. Every single final accounts problem is split into exactly 3 parts. The first part, the trading account. This is known as a factory box. If an expense takes place inside the factory gates to produce goods such as wages or factory power, then it goes here. Next, the profit and loss account, which is our office box. Once goods are made, all office expenses, selling costs and losses like salaries, rent or depreciation, they all go here. Now, the balance sheet, which is our locker box. On the right, we list all our assets, things the business owns, and on the left, we list liabilities. They are the things the business owes to others. Here is our exam-style trial balance question. Take a close look at the items. We have opening stock, wages, salaries, sales, and creditors. Now, let's move to our formats and solve this step by step using our sorting rules. To begin with, the opening stock, that is 2 opening stock 15,000, followed by 2 purchases 1 lakh, followed by 2 wages 5,000, followed by 2 carriage inwards 2,000. Done with the debit side. Moving on to the credit side, we have buy sales 1,55,000, buy closing stock 25,000. Now let's tally. Total 1,85,000, but the balance is our gross profit, which will be carried down to the profit loss account, which amounts to 58,000. Now let's look into the profit loss account. At the debit side, we have salaries 10,000, to rent 6,000, to insurance 2,000. On the credit side, we bring down by gross profit brought down as 58,000 and by discount received 1,000. This gives us a net profit of 41,000 and the total tallies at 59,000. Now comes the balance sheet. To begin with the liabilities, we have capital as 1 lakh plus net profit, which is 41,000 from profit loss account, minus drawings, that is 8,000, and sundry creditors, which is 25,000. On the asset side, we have machinery 50,000, furniture 20,000, closing stock 25,000, sundry debtors 40,000, cash at bank 20,000, and cash in hand 3,000. Now look at the magic as both the sides tally with a total of 1,58,000. See how easy final accounts become when you stop memorizing formats and start using simple sorting logic. If you follow this line by line strategy in your exams, you will save massive amounts of time and secure full marks easily. If this video made final accounts clear for you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe this channel for more step-by-step ICSE Class 10 Commercial Studies guides. Drop a comment below if your balance sheet tallied along with me. Good luck with your preparation, and I'll see you in the next video.